Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a special knife that I finally had the chance to get. Probably you saw the description. This is the Sprint Run Spyderco Shaman in CRU-WEAR steel, and a little bit story behind this this madness with this knife. So apparently Spyderco did release after some years another model with micarta scales, and people are going crazy. So this knife was sold out everywhere, and I had really low hope that I could get one eventually, because and a little bit rant here. Firstly, I did sign up to a mailing list on Alumnia, where I put my information in, and I wanted that they inform me when they are coming in stock. So that was a month ago, or should I say more than a month ago. So no notification came. Some people on Instagram and on YouTube did got the knife, and I did ask one of them where he got the knife, and he told me that he subscribed to Lamnia's mailing list, and when they were up for sale, they got a notification and bought them. So long story short, he got the notification, I did not. I did contact Lamnia, what gives, they didn't bother to respond to me. So yeah, as far as I know, the first batch did hit the shelves around mid of October. So few people got them, and a lot of people had to wait for other resellers to get them. So given that this is a sprint run, there is only a limited amount of them made. So maybe 1,000, maybe 1,500, who knows. But anyway, resellers did got only a few pieces, so I was really lucky. I did search them on eBay, and firstly I got a luck with the CRU-WEAR.com, which from I bought my last micarta knife, the Bucksprint Pro in burlap micarta. And then I got lucky and also did check, refresh the site of knivesandtools.de. They have lots of different sites around the world. So there is also a .at, an LBE, FA for France, UK, and also a com version of the site. So yeah, I got in the end few of them. Firstly, what I would like to share with you was yeah, CRU Collection is a nice French reseller. It takes a long time to get your knife. I waited maybe 2.5 weeks to get my package in, maybe a little bit more, who knows. But when they first shipped out the knife to me, the bug, they shipped it in a nice small package, so that yeah, knife was okay packed in there. But when I got the Shaman, yeah, a huge, it does not fit in the frame. This is the largest envelope, G4. Which is made, and I don't know why they sent it in this one. Few informations like before. This is the same. Okay. And yes, the box got damaged just because of the huge envelope and no bubble wrap. Should I say this is a bubble wrap envelope, but no bubble wrap to protect the knife. So yeah, I was a little bit confused or angry, how to say it politely, because if you pay so much money for a knife, then yeah, this is not a $100 knife like the bug was. Okay. Anyway, so fast forward, I got this package first from the Knives and Tools.de. This is a Kato Group company is called. A really good, really nice overall experience with their websites. I just clicked, bought. One downside for me personally, big downside, but this is debatable. When I opted for paying with PayPal, I was prompted with the fees. So they offer free shipping over a certain amount, maybe 50 euros or something like that. But I ended up paying the fees, so it was like I would pay for shipping. Usually the reseller will take care of you and will take the fees that they are regarding with the transaction inside the price of the product, but I don't know why they have it this way. Anyway, they got 3 on the site. I was lucky to be at the right moment at my desk, my computer, and just refreshed it, and I saw them. I wanted to buy all 3, I will not lie to you, but after I finished my registration, there were only 2 available, so I got them in my shopping cart and they got to me nicely protected without any problems. Okay, here's some catalog from them. If you like, really nice presentation, really professional company. You can go check them out. These are only the German and the Austrian sites because they are in German language mutation. But here are some information. A quick okay, but not to bother you with these things, I just wanted to highlight my good experience with the company. So let's open it up. So inside the box we have a nice big silica gel packet and 2 papers or pamphlets. One is of course the production information about the standard Shaman, and I must confess I really wanted to buy this knife as soon as it was released, but for some reason I did not. Yeah, there is only a certain amount of money I can spend on my hobby, so I opted to wait, maybe just search around and buy a new used one. There is nothing wrong with buying pre-owned or pre-loved products. Okay, here are some informations about the knife itself. It's a CPM CRU-WEAR steel. Yeah. A really nice touch would be if these were signed by somebody at the company, but maybe I am asking too much. And okay, here it is in his full glory, the Micarta scale Shaman. You can see this is a brown Micarta, nicely chamfered or rounded. And I must say I really love Micarta handle scales. I have only few knives in with the Micarta scale, and I want to buy more, of course, because the feeling of the material is just so good, much better than G10 or carbon fiber or steel or titanium or MLB, because it has some organic feeling to it. and also gets a different character after usage, because the, how to say, the oils from your hand will penetrate the layers of the micarta and will give the knife different shade of the color of the linen fibers that are comprised of. Okay, here are some few nice shots of the finishing. We have really nice functional sharp jimping on the top. Yeah, made in USA, Golden, Colorado. Earth, of course. So this knife is prepared to be taken out into the space. Perfect centering. Okay, let's go quickly over the specifications. So we have a overall length of 8.29 inches or 21 centimeters. The blade is 3.62 inches or 9.2 centimeters with a width of 3.5 millimeters, or should I say thickness, or width is 3.5 centimeters or 1.5 inches. The cutting edge is 3.13 inches or 8 centimeters. The blade thickness, so on the stock here on the top, is 0.14 inches or 0.35 centimeters or 3.5 millimeters. The handle thickness is 0.54 inches or 13.8 millimeters. We have a flat ground blade with a traditional Spyderco hole opening feature here. The blade is made out of CRU-WEAR steel with a satin finish. We have contoured canvas micarta scales, which are with the nested steel liners with milled out holes for weight reduction. We have the Spyderco's patented compression lock, so just like a reversible liner lock, it protects your fingers by closing just like that. So here, and we have an overall weight of 137.6, should I say 137.6 grams or 4.8 ounces, so under 5 ounces. We have a 4-position reversible pocket clip, so lefties and righties rejoice. This knife is for everybody, hence the opening feature. Also with the left hand you can also close the knife without the problems, also with the right hand, and this will go smooth while used. The quality control on this one are really exceptional. So here's a stop pin. Only downside what I can see, and also other users have reported, is this part of the blade. So some people are grounding down these knobs here, just because when you are closing it, it will how should I say it, it will hit the part of your finger when you are closing it, because the pin wants to be reset. So you have to time the closing right to while disengaging the lock and closing the blade to pull out of the groove your finger, because it will hit you and the knife will not close. So I don't know why Spyderco did opted for such a huge knob here. Maybe it could be flat, I don't know. Maybe the knife was intended to be a backlog or something like that. But who knows? So this is really the only downside of the design. And of course, here is the last one. All of them are perfect, so really exceptional production skills in the Golden, Colorado factory. Okay, so let's see some size comparisons. Of course, we have to do that. So firstly, let me put on the table the Spyderco Micarta Sprint Buck Sprint Run Buck Sprint Pro. A nice coincidence here. Okay, so obviously this is a larger knife. I have here my trusty old SNG with a custom-made micarta scales. So basically you will end up with a similar shade if you're using this knife for years, and the oils will go down to the layers. Okay, and of course another Spyderco, so the Endura. Here is also the Delica. Here we have the Griptilian, the large Griptilian. The 940, another excellent EDC choice. Right there. Okay. So really there is nothing more to say about this excellent design. Nice forward choil for precision cutting like the SNG, and even the standard Shaman is, in my opinion, a great option for you out there. Maybe if you don't maybe you like the Strider design but don't want to pay so much money, then the standard Shaman under $200 is a great options for you. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave comments down below like always. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week. Sometimes I can do that, sometimes I not. But anyway, I try to do my best to share with you my passion, my hobby, good products, and so on. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.